Are you gambling with your retirement without even knowing it? Most investors blindly chase high returns, unaware that their portfolio is a ticking time bomb of hidden risks. This video exposes the shocking truth about asset allocation and how to protect your financial future before it's too late. Asset allocation is simply deciding how to divide your investments among different asset classes. Think of it like creating a balanced plate of food. You wouldn't want to eat only protein or only carbs, would you? Similarly, in investing, you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. These asset classes typically include stocks, bonds, and cash, but can also include real estate and commodities. Stocks or equities represent ownership in companies and generally offer the highest potential returns, but also come with the highest risk. Bonds, also known as fixed income, are loans to governments or corporations and are generally less risky than stocks, but offer lower returns. Cash includes money market funds and savings accounts and offers the lowest returns but provides stability. Diversification takes this a step further. It's about spreading your investments within each asset class. For example, instead of investing in just one stock, you invest in many different stocks across various industries. Or, instead of investing in just one type of bond, you invest in different types of bonds with varying maturities and credit ratings. This helps to reduce risk because if one investment performs poorly, the others can help to offset the losses. The main goal of asset allocation and diversification is to manage risk. Different asset classes behave differently in different market conditions. Stocks tend to do well when the economy is growing, while bonds tend to do well when interest rates are falling. By diversifying across asset classes, you can reduce the volatility of your portfolio and improve your chances of achieving your financial goals. So, how do you determine the right asset allocation for you? It depends on several factors, including your risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon. If you're young and have a long time horizon, you can afford to take on more risk and invest a larger portion of your portfolio in stocks. If you're older and closer to retirement, you may want to invest a larger portion of your portfolio in bonds and cash to preserve capital. Similarly, your investment goals will influence your asset allocation. If you're saving for retirement, you may want to invest in a more growth-oriented portfolio. If you're saving for a down payment on a house, you may want to invest in a more conservative portfolio. It's also essential to consider rebalancing your portfolio periodically. Over time, your asset allocation may drift away from your target allocation due to market fluctuations. Rebalancing involves selling some of the assets that have performed well and buying some of the assets that have performed poorly to bring your portfolio back to its target allocation. This helps you to maintain your desired level of risk and stay on track to achieve your financial goals. Understanding asset allocation and diversification is vital for building a solid financial future. It's not about chasing the hottest investment trends, but about creating a balanced portfolio that aligns with your individual circumstances and goals. It is also important to periodically review and adjust your asset allocation as your circumstances change. This is not a set-it-and-forget-it strategy. Remember to consider inflation and its impact on your investment returns. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of your money over time, so it's essential to invest in assets that can outpace inflation. While this video explained the basics, we didn't explore the complexities of international investing or the role of alternative investments like private equity and hedge funds in detail. These areas require further research and consideration and may be topics for future videos. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to keep watching such amazing videos.